What up mga solid subscribers, no? So ito, manonood po ulit tayo ng updates regarding po sa ating mahal mo. Marami tayong updates, no? Isa na si Miss O yung papanoorin natin, no? And marami tayong papanoorin na channel, guys, no? Basta, grabe kasi guys, no? Grabe, malapit na guys. Sobrang palapit na po ng palamit, guys, yung ating, yung pagtatag, guys, no? Kasi yung pagtatag finale, no? So, sino ba naman hindi na-excite doon? Siyempre tayong lahat, no? Siyempre, as a fan of SB19, alam niyan kung gaano tayo na-excite sa mga ganyang bagay, no? So, ayan guys, na ayoko na patagalin pa. So, without further ado, let's all watch this.
SB19 is all over the news as two-day concert sold out
Let's
in
go.
less than 24 hours.
Damn! SB19 is all over news. Tapos, 2-day concert nila sold out in less than 4 hours. 24 hours, guys, no? Grabe ang ating mahalima, guys. As in, sorry.
Pagtatag EP has definitely brought many accolades to
Play.
SB19, and that is a fact that has been proven again and again, including the latest news of their sold-out two-day Pagtatag finale concert. Hindi man lang umabot ng 24 hours at ubos na ang mga tickets, at marami pa man ang hindi nakakabili. This is definitely a feat that is hard to break. No wonder this is all over the news. And as we celebrate this achievement,
Grabe, guys, yung P-pop community talaga ngayon as in. Lalo nga, at syempre, ating mahaliman SB19, no? Wow, grabe. Wala akong masabi kundi grabe na lang, no? Sold out nila yung mga ganyang bagay. Syempre, Araneta po yan, guys. Napaka-solid niyan, no?
the reaction of the boys sa kanilang first ever big achievement back in the day.
I think dati, oh, wow, ang old, ano na ito, guys, so napaka-vintage, guys, vintage SB19, no?
At yan ay ang kanilang first time mag-trending at number 1
Yay!
sa Twitter with their Go Up dance practice. Dito mo talaga makikita kung gaano nakalayo ang kanilang narating. From first time na mag-trending at number 1 to the first P-pop group na nag-sold out ng 2-day concert in less than 24 hours.
Evidence down.
Ang cute ng mga reaction nila, guys, no? As in talaga napaka... Alam mo yun, ito pa yung mga point na talagang hindi pa sila ganun ka, no? Tiyo si Ken, napakakulit. Why masabi, guys?
Evidence down.
Everything is down. Napaka-genuine na reaction nila, guys, as in, no? Wow, grabe yung mahalima, guys. So, isipin mo na dumating sila sa point na ganun, tapos hindi mo naman actually ako nung time na yun talaga, no, nung grabe nag-trending yung SB19, no, lingid sa inyong kalaman, no, talagang ang in-expect ko talaga nun is alam mo yun, yung era nila is nagsisimula pa lang, pero grabe kasi, guys, as in pa ganun, guys, as in pasulong talaga, guys, napaka-solid, no. Hindi, akala ko talaga ganun na siya, gradual, pero hindi, guys, pag ganun talaga yung ating mahalima, guys, no. Hindi siya yung normal na pagtaas, talagang sobrang grabe, pagtaas talaga siya, nag-boom talaga siya, guys, no? Pero hindi naman siya yung pag ganun talaga, pag ganun siya, no. Mahirap kasi yung pag ganun, guys, eh. Alam niyo ba't mahirap na, no? Kasi usually, di ba, yun yung mga one hit wonder lang, guys, no. As in, talagang isang beses na sumisikat, tapos alam mo yun, tatama rin. Pero ang ating mahalima, I think kahit naman ganun ang mangyari, no, hindi sila talaga magsisettle, no. Kahit gumanon man, time na gumanon sa kanila, as in, yung graph nila, like sobrang tumaas talaga, matindihan, no. Hindi lalaki yung ulo nila kasi pinaghirapan nila yan, guys, eh. Alam niyo naman pinagdaanan. So next, guys, yung papanoorin na itong kay I'm Pop Price, no. So shoutout kay I'm Pop Price, no. Shoutout sa kanya ito, sa kanya po lahat itong video papanoorin natin, no? Let's go. I mean, itong next na video papanoorin natin.
SB19 2 Days Pagtatag Finale concert ticket sale had already concluded, and it was officially announced that all tickets are now sold out. Pretty sure there are still fans who weren't able to secure their ticket and really want to...
Ito yung pinakamasakit sa lahat, guys, na alam mo yun, yung pumila ka tapos biglang wala kang nabiling ticket. Nakalungkot yun, as in. Pero syempre, hindi natin maano kasi syempre, ano yun eh, kumbaga, credit sa mga nauna talaga, no? Yung mga nauna sa pila talaga, mas nagpagod talaga, as in, no?
show their support to the boys. But hey, don't worry, as SB19 still assures their fans that even though you might not be able to attend their concert, it won't make you less of a fan. And for them, You are the greatest gift ever. Speaking of
Wow.
concerts, recently the P-Pop Kings
Sana magkaroon sila ng ng online concert, no, yung live stream na. Ewan ko lang kung magkakaroon sila. I think mas solid yun, no, sa mga hindi makaka-attend. No. Para sa akin lang, that's just my own opinion. Magkaroon sila ng ganun.
got a new partnership with Xiaomi
Siyempre, ganun din ako, no. Let's go.
Philippines, where they became the new endorser of their new released phone model. And as
Hey.
their new endorser, Xiaomi Philippines just made an announcement that SB19 will be part of their Xiaomi Fan Festival
Yay!
Iconic Concert, which they will perform 3 of their hottest songs. This event will be held on April 20th, 2024 at SM by the Bay.
Hey, malapit
It's
na.
the perfect event, especially for those fans who won't be able to attend their upcoming concert. SB19 Josh will be part of the Philippine adaptation of the popular Korean reality show Running Man PH for Season 2. Even though
Oh!
rumors had circulated previously about a member of SB19 joining the show, there had been no official confirmation of it not until today.
Ganun kagalang ang ating mga ang 18 guys, no. Alam nila agad yan kahit wala pa man, no. Ganyan kagaling mag-research ang ating 18 na. Let's go.
Photo of Josh Cullen together with the cast of Running Man Philippines Season 2 are currently circulating online, which gives a hint that he will be part of the show. Most likely, SB19 Josh will be a guest in one of their upcoming episodes, which unfortunately has no schedule announced yet. And to further support this, King of Talk, Boy Abunda, confirms that SB19 Josh Cullen is indeed part of the Running Man Philippines Season 2.
Guest din sa Season 2 si Josh ng SB19. Palakpakan natin.
There
Yes,
is
si
no
Boy Abunda
announced
na mismo pala
schedule
nag-ano
yet
eh.
for the airing of the episodes of Running Man Philippines Season 2, but we will keep you posted, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next video.
Grabe na po yung natatanggap nating Mahalima. Nagsusunod-sunod na, no. Napansin niyo guys, no. Despite na hindi mo sinasabi kong pahinga, no. Pero kumbaga ito yung panahon na parang sila, yung pwede sila solo projects or magpakabisi sa ibang bagay, no. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin po yung sa kanila, yung blessings talaga sa kanila, no. Dito masabi na kahit ano mangyari, kahit nagpahinga sila, kahit yung SB19 is parang muna nila, hindi mo sinasabi, hindi naman pangit yung term na isang tabi, kumbaga parang hold ka muna dyan, focus muna kami dito, no, and darating kami sa point na babalik ko tayo dyan, which is malapit na siya guys, sobrang lapit na guys, no, and kahit ganun guys, solo project sila, or kanya-kanyang buhay, ang dami na natatanggap ng mga blessings, no, as in, ang dami na mga solo projects, ang dami na mga ganito, mga guestings, or what, no, nakakatuwa lang guys, no, kasi ganito trumabaho si God, as in, ganito trumabaho si God, para sa akin, no, this is just my own opinion. Alam ko yung iba sa inyo is baka yung iba sa inyo is hindi ganun ka-religious. Pero para sa akin guys, ganito trumabaho si God, no? Kung alam niyang worth it ang isang bagay na para sa inyo is talagang ibibigay niya, no? Pag alam niyang busilak yung puso mo, ibibigay niya po talaga. Which is ganun po ang ating Mahalima, no? Napakabusilak po ng puso ng ating Mahalima. Kaya binibigay po niya talaga yung mga karapat dapat na para sa kanila, no? So, I'm very sure guys, hindi lang ito po yung pinakahuli ng mga achievements na mararating nila, mga endorsement or what, no? Marami po yan guys, no? Marami po yan 18, alam niyo yan, no? Basta suporta lang tayo, no? Wala namang masama kung susuporta tayo sa ating P-pop community, no? Siyempre sa ating P-pop kings, wala namang masama kung susuporta tayo dahil alam niyo naman, Pinoy din yan guys, Pinoy yan, pure Pinoy po yung mga yan, no? Kaya ano pa po yung dahilan or wala na ako nakikitang dahilan para hindi natin suportahan yan, no? Kaya kayo guys, kung ano man mga sinasabi niyo dyan or what, let's stop those negativities na po talaga, no? And let's focus on positivity guys, no? Let's go. And ayun lang guys, no? Nakakatuwa lang na ito, may nakikita tayong mga bagong updates po sa ating Mahalima. So ayun lang guys, kung meron kasi pa comment down below, ayun yun lang, and kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe. So this is Point of It signing out. Peace, let's G.